Okay.
So hi, how are you?
I'm super duper furious actually because I had a I think 2 or 3 session by a video since morning. So that's a really good thing. And today I try to talk with people on by a video call.
Okay.
Because by video call you got a lots of confidence. You can do eye contact with a person whom talk with you. So this is a
Yes,
really good thing. So that's why I try to talk on video call.
yes, because yeah, when we are in front of camera, so that time we are feeling like uh, get a more confident via audio call, because on audio call we can
Yes,
speak easily, and whatever in my minds they are easily we are speak. But in front camera we want to just we want to speak with the gesture, and we want to
yes,
speak with the with the pronunciation with properly, because in front of people they watch you. So yeah, we need
yes.
to
They watch
get,
you, so yeah, it's really mandatory to speak with a person to do a eye contact first, and they can easily find you are talking right or wrong. Means you if sometime we can pretend on the audio call, but
yes,
we can't pretend on a video call because
yes,
our
yes,
emotions, our face expression, they all are shows in on video
yes,
call.
yes.
So that's why.
Yes, especially sometimes, we have proper ones don't come in mind. So that time we stuck that we thinking that how can I speak and how can I, because only that time stuck in is very weird that time. So how can I
Yes, yes.
explain that time? That is a good thing.
Okay.
So please,
So I have actually question. Actually, we talked first time, I think, in our
yeah,
group. We are talking
yes,
first time.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
yeah,
So you have a one YouTube channel. Okay. So
yes,
could you introduce yourself? After that, I would be to introduce myself,
yeah, sure, yeah.
or could I introduce myself first?
Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, if I so I will be no issue. Okay. So my name is Priya Thakur and I'm from Maharashtra. And if I talk about my qualification, I completed post graduation, and I'm a mother of 2 children as well as a homemaker. And right now I'm working on YouTube channel as well. And side by side, I'm improving my communication skills for future. Definitely in future, whenever I get time, whenever I get opportunity to do something, so I will be ready for that. So that's
Yeah, definitely.
yes.
Okay. So how long have you been working on your fluency level?
It's been now completed 8 months because I'm working on. So before that, I'm able to speak, but in comes
Mhm.
of camera in face to face. So that time I'm feel just weak and not confident. So that's why I'm growing that confident and influency as well for that.
Okay. And how long have you been running your channel? Have had your channel?
Yeah, it's been completed 6 months now. On our
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So
Now I'm
now
going to
you
introduce myself. Yeah.
yes, because before that is very important. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. I know, I know. So actually, my name is Alina Singh on that am, but my real name is Khushbu Raghav Rana. This is my documented name, and Alina Singh is my nickname. My real name is Khushbu Singh Rana. And if I'm talking about my qualification, so I have done graduation from Delhi University, as well as I have done MBA in HR, and I have also done mass communication from Delhi as well, and I did internship from Doordarshan, and I'm married, and I blessed with one child. He's a boy. So, and nowadays I'm so eager to learn this language, and I know this language since my childhood days, but I was not able to speak. Even I was speak, but I was able to speak, but not like that. Means the fluency level was I can say stuck when while I was speaking. So I was speak, but I was not speak in a very fluent manner. So that's why I think about that. I have to work on my fluency. So that's why I try to connect with lot of co-learner like me on Skype, is fluency, and these days I'm working a lot. So that's why I'm doing these things. And yeah, that's all.
Yeah, yeah, that's yeah, great. Yeah. Okay, you did MBA. Same year. I'm also
Yeah, I
doing.
have done.
I also did
Okay.
MBA in
And which
HR.
stream?
HR, but after got
HR. Okay.
married, yes, I'm never joined any company because after completed
Yes.
my post graduation, I got married. So in between, I never get a chance to do something for me because yeah,
Yeah.
after marrying, do have lots of responsibility. Even if you have a child, after within 1 year, if you get child, so it's very difficult to manage everything.
Yes,
So
yes,
yeah,
yes. I can understand.
you can choose
And
only
in
family
my
or
case, yeah,
yeah.
in my case, I means when I have done my graduation, then spontaneously I got married. And after married, I have done my MBA.
Oh, wow, great.
So,
But okay, you did any experience in company on basis of HR?
no, no, no. I never ever tried. Means these days I'm a fully homemaker. I have a baby. He's a son and he's so young right now. So,
Oh,
and our family members never ever try, means give me permission about to go out of the house.
yes,
And by my responsibilities means I had one little child, young child. So that's my responsibility to look after him. So that's why means I never ever thinking about that go out of the house and do the full time job in a corporate sector. So
yes,
that's why. And so now my son is in means school, so that's why I'm thinking about to do something productive manner. So that's why I'm looking forward a job in a schools as a teacher. Because this is suitable for being a mother, being a
right.
house maker, homemaker, and being a married person. Because the time suits us.
Yes, because same year, because yeah. So sometimes I feel that we are, more educated. We are complete our post graduation. Still, we have, at homes. So sometimes we feeling, very, difficult ways, and we suffering from, from mental issue that times. And this, this issue we can't, share with the others. Same because we
Yes,
choose
yes,
it happily because this you are at home, you choose yourself because you not fight
yes,
with the others for that, because you are after you choose your children, so no one can stop you to go outside. Yeah, in case of childrens we can't tolerate anything because yeah, it's our first priority, first children, and then you can do whatever is after they grown up.
yes,
But
yes, yes.
in between you lost yourself something, yeah, you are something like you are not able to do because some company have experience, so in between do have so much gap experience because they consider as no one means after education you can't do it. And so for that we want to improve ourselves, we want to take other classes, like we want to take other certification for if we want to do something. So yeah, still, but after a gap 10 years, we our mental health, not ready for learn something like 6 months, 7 months, like student. How is your feeling about that? Like same or a what?
Uh, yeah, about the learning or about other part.
Yes, about learning means after that you want to do something after gap or something 5 6 years 10 years, but
Mhm.
your mental condition is not ready for go for to force learning offline class, and then after that you get you are rushed to struggle still, so very
Mhm.
difficult,
No, actually, mhm.
yeah.
No. Actually, in my case, it is not difficult because I never have leave my study for a time. Because I told you before also that after married, I have done my post graduation as well as I took classes, music classes. These are. So
Okay.
that's why I never ever leave my study pattern. So it is really beneficial for me. If I'm not really far away from study, but I have a lots of responsibility due to married person. So I totally
Yeah.
agree with you because we have a lots of responsibility after being a homemaker, being a wife, being a mother. So I agree. But what happened is in a learning case, so I never thinking about that learning is any difficulty for any age and any means gap of the study and all. No, no need. And I never faced that such type of problem because even I am really enjoying these things nowadays. I have a time. I try to utilize my time and in very productive way. I try to use this time. So I really enjoying this journey actually, and now I'm able to speak very fluently, means not very fluently, but I'm able to convey my thoughts. So that's
Yeah,
really important according to me.
yeah, yeah. That is a very good choice. We are just improving our skill, communication skill. Definitely, if we are go for any interview, so we not facing with the communication that time.
Yes,
So
yes, 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 you
yeah,
are right. I told you, means I agree on that point, that because I never we are never ever try to go out of the house and face the any interview. So that's how we haven't get a courage about that.
yeah,
So yeah, this has happens with me also. Means I whenever I'm thinking about go in any institute and any school, so I thinking about myself, oh, how can I face, how could I face the people who ask
yeah,
me a question about myself, and how I'm able to go out and
yeah.
give the answers. So means could I do, means I can do or not, means that type of things.
Yeah, and in this is now in school is like CBSE school. There are teacher are not very fluent. They want very fluent
Yes,
teacher.
yes.
Yeah, because they hire completed their post graduation, but they are still looking. He is not. She or he was able to speak more fluently or what? Because first my priority is this communication skill in the school.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, 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 yes. Yes, indeed. Means I agree, totally agree. These days, what happened? These means English in a era, and these days, everyone aware about how to speak. And even we are talking about a young children, and they are in a junior age, they are in junior being, but they are able to speak very fluently in this
Yeah.
language. So it is actually what why happens due to their environment. They got a fluency very soon in very young age because they have an environment, they exposed lot of things. But
Yeah.
in our case, because we haven't got any environment about, so that's why we are working on our fluency still.
Yes. Yes.
So yeah,
Because from childhood we can't got the environment as well. We are from other stream like Marathi, Hindi. So for a 10 years we spend with our native language, so suddenly we can't grab this. It's very difficult to fluency. We want to work, we want to
yes,
read, we want to learn more vocab, we want to learn more phrasal verbs for advanced level, like in school, in communication, in IT sector, they're using advanced verb. So that's where
yes.
that time feel that when we heard that word, so feeling that our English is very low in front of them. So because we are
Because
just
what
using,
happened
yeah,
now we have to put lots of effort to get the things, to
yes,
make things easy for us. So yeah, it but I know I'm really confident about myself, and I think you have also confident yourself. You should be, much be, because very soon we got our fluency definitely, and we will achieve our goal. We would be achieved, I know, because
because
we can do everything.
yes,
Being a mother, we have a power to do
yes,
anything.
yes, yes. Even if in your mind, if you decide something you want to do, so definitely you do. So
Oh
yeah,
no,
if
yes, yes, yes,
at
right.
anyhow if you have a time, you have no time, but still you have a working at least 1 hour on it. Yeah,
Yes,
just
yes,
you keep
right.
aside other things, your mind, your kids, your household chores. Just if you want to do to do, no necessary. Even
Yes,
you for this English learning language, I fought sometimes with my in-laws, and yeah, no, I want to I have 1 hour at least for me. So whatever do you want, you do at that day. After that, I will be ready for. But in between, don't disturb me for that. I will fought
yes,
for that.
yes.
So much time. Because yeah,
Okay.
if you want to do, at least you want to give 1 hour at least, because it's very essential. Otherwise, you are just doing one day. You can speak out 8 days. You working one
Yes,
day, so
yes,
it's not
right.
8 days. You are all forgot whatever
Actually,
you. Yes,
yes,
because
actually, this is an interesting thing, and we are liking a lot. So that's why we are doing a lots of effort to achieve this thing. And why? Because we are eager to learn,
yeah,
and why we are not leaving between of the way, because we are enjoying our journey. So that's why, and it is a really interesting.
yes,
Why means we want to be a fluent ourselves, so that's why we try to connect lots of strangers, and that's a really good thing. It's a bio language, you met a lots of people and you got to know about them also, like
yes,
their experiences, their life journey, what they think, like that, all of these things. So I am really enjoying this journey
yeah.
actually.
Yes, because all
What do
ladies
you
are,
think?
multitasking, and they want to do
Yes, yes,
everything. Even
yeah.
even sometimes I woke up early in the morning, like 5, and still all day until at night 11 p.m. I'm not, taking a single rest. So yeah, because sometimes you are fall asleep at afternoon, so that time you got, refuse your fluency that time. So yeah, if you want to work, at least to only do have in afternoon. Taking a
Yes,
nap
yes.
instead of, you can use in for fluency, or whatever do you want to do, so like reading, writing, for enhancing something you want to prepare, so only do have time in afternoon, because that time mostly people are sleeping, and kids are sleeping, so
Yes,
only
yes.
that much
Right,
time
right.
you have. Otherwise you can't get times. So sometimes
Okay,
I.
apart of the
Yes.
yeah, sorry to interrupt you. Apart of the speaking, what do you do for getting your fluency soon?
Yes, I told you, just in afternoon I'm going 1 hour for conversation, and after that I watching content, I watching news, whatever I want, I watching in English in these days, because yeah,
Okay.
only that way is very important, because for influency, instead of Hindi I choose English, drama, whatever film and show, and watching reels also related to English. I watch only, and work on vocab and phrasal verbs. And sometimes I start to use the grammar different, whatever I don't know. So whenever I forgot, because I learn in my school days, so still I don't know about the. So sometimes I learn. So or whenever I get at night, at afternoon, I will give this time to my English and speaking. And apart from that,
Wow.
yeah, research or other things related to topic, how to speak on that. So I want to read that. So I used to read a lot of books in earlier that time, but now I'm not reading, because I have no time for that reading. So I sometimes I not manage my time. So yeah, only I give 1 hour to my speaking.
Hmm. Okay. So are you using Skype only for speaking or any other group also? Do you have?
Before 2 months ago, I have lots of app, but still I uninstall, because Skype is enough for me, because lots of email and messages are in my inbox for conversation. So I want to manage that all things. So no one. Yeah, sometimes I use audio call, because in other app they have lots of audio, and friends are also are there, because before also I used to 4 months I used to do a lot of apps before trying to Skype. So yeah, but this is not. So
Okay. Have you taken ever any classes by any institute or by any platform for a fluency level for a English?
no, I'm
Never
planning
ever
to.
tried?
No, never type, but I planning to take. But sometimes I thought that if you are consistent and regular with speaking, so I think you no need to take classes, because they also give your some vocab and grammar, and that